We can compute whether the higher predicted benefit actually corresponds to a higher observed benefit using a method called the C for benefit. The C for benefit is similar to the C index you've seen before. This time, rather than deal with binary 0 or 1 outcomes, or time to event outcomes, we have three possible outcomes: 1, -1, and 0. Keep a careful eye out for the signs here. A negative outcome corresponds to an observed benefit, just like a negative treatment effect estimate corresponds to a prediction of benefit. A positive outcome, on the other hand, corresponds to observed harm, just like a positive treatment effect estimate corresponds to a prediction of harm. Let's walk again through some of the core concepts behind the C index, this time with these pairs of matched pairs instead of pairs of individuals. We call a pair of matched pairs concordant when the pair with the higher number for the estimate has the higher outcome. As a translation, this means that for the matched pair that we predict would benefit more from the treatment actually has the better outcome. We call a pair of matched pairs not concordant when the pair with the higher estimate number has the lower outcome level. This means that for the matched pair that we predict would benefit more from the treatment actually has the worst outcome. We call a pair of matched pairs a risk tie when we make the same effect estimate for both pairs when they have different outcomes. We can't compare our effect estimates on pairs which have the same outcome, which have a tie-in outcome, because we aren't able to tell which pair should have the higher score. We can only compare pairs that have different observed outcomes. As before, we call these permissible pairs. The C index, defined as before, considers the fraction of permissible pairs that are concordant pairs or risk ties.